That motivation is like a fuel. Your car sometimes it runs out of petrol. Similarly, a human being can run out of motivation. So what you have to do, you have to watch content or read content that builds that fire again inside you. Just because your car has run out of petrol, do you discard it? No, right? You will refuel it.
Uh,
Hello.
Hi, good
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Hi, Aslam. How are you?
morning. I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you so much for asking. How is your day going?
Um, it's nice.
It's just
Today
nice,
was
not
going good.
great.
Yeah, absolutely great.
Okay. So, are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
I could kind of sense that from your background.
Background. Yeah,
Well, it's a black screen, and to add contrast, you have those colorful
yeah,
rings there, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Good
So
thought.
yeah, we are waiting first time. I would like you to
Mhm.
introduce yourself.
Okay. You know my name. My name is Megha,
Yeah,
and I've been working with Clapingo for almost a year now, and I'm from Bangalore. I am an IELTS trainer. Yeah, those are some
that's
key points
nice.
about me. Yeah. Is there anything else you would like to know?
No, that's it.
That's enough? Okay. So I would love for you to give me
Yeah.
a brief introduction. Like, where are you from? What do you do?
Okay, okay. So my name is Aslam, as you know my name.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I am from Jharkhand, and I am doing graduation in English honors right now, and I am a YouTuber.
Okay. You're doing your graduation in English honors, right?
Yeah, I have 2 years of experience in teaching.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm a teacher.
Fantastic. That's really good. So, what brings you to Clapingo? I think you
Yeah,
you have a lot more knowledge in English if you are doing your honors in that subject.
yeah. No, not like that.
Mhm.
I wanted to be a great communicator, just like you guys.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
mhm,
I want to ask you, like, why do I feel scared? Like, you
mhm.
know, before join the session, I feel like
Mm,
I am going to suicide.
don't say that. That's you
Really,
scared
really,
me
I feel
there.
really scared. Like, what if I couldn't answer your question?
Okay. So,
Like,
why
what
do you
if
feel scared?
I do mistakes?
That is the fear of judgment, okay, Aslam.
Yeah.
Most of the times we fear a lot about what other people will think about me. What if they
Hmm.
think negatively? We always want to be remembered for good things. No, nobody wants to be remembered for something embarrassing or bad. So that is the biggest fear. But here on Clap, and what if I'm not able to answer the questions?
Hmm.
For that, I can assure you all the topics that you're going to be discussing on Clappingo, they are
Hmm.
conversational topics. They are not general knowledge questions, right? I won't ask you who's the president of that country and you have to get it right.
Okay.
That's not the case. So tomorrow, if you have to have a conversation with your neighbor or with your best friend related to, say, shopping, would you be nervous?
Hmm. No, I
No,
wouldn't
right?
be nervous.
Yeah. Do you think is there any question on shopping that you won't be able to answer? Something as mundane, as regular as shopping? No, no.
Yeah,
It's
I
a
can answer.
conversational topic. Yeah.
Yeah.
So all your sessions on Clappingo are going to be on such similar subjects. Okay. It is just to understand you as a person. What are your opinion on things? Any question that you get asked on
Hmm.
Clappingo, there is no right or wrong answer. It is just your perspective on matter that we want to know. So the next time you join any session, just have this in your mind that it's going to be an easy conversation, very regular topic, and all the tutors I think you have experienced by now, they are very friendly in nature. Nobody is strict.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I've noticed that.
Yeah. Yeah. And if you want to get a hold on your nervousness, just a very simple technique. It might sound very silly to you, but it helps a lot. Breathing, deep breathing. So, yeah.
I think English. I think in English all the time. But
Mm-hmm.
when it comes to speaking,
Hmm.
why can't I?
Lack of practice. No, don't have an English speaking environment where you can practice with people.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So, Okay, so in this session, I want you to speak more. Okay, so you said
Okay.
you are a YouTuber, you are pursuing your education also. So, what is the end goal? What is your biggest goal in life? Tell me a little about it.
Yeah, little like short term goal or
Mhm.
long term goal.
Your biggest goal in life, like,
Biggest goal in life.
yeah, it could be short term also, it could be long term also, but for the time being, it is the most important thing for you.
Yeah, like I want to be a millionaire, like a biggest YouTuber
Mhm. The
in
biggest
my life.
YouTuber.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I am not a biggest YouTuber, like an ordinary YouTuber don't have enough
Mm-hmm.
subscriber to
Mm-hmm.
monetize my channel. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I want to be like others, in my life, and I
Okay.
keep practicing.
Okay. That's very
Yeah,
good.
and
How do
my
you? Mhm. Sorry, please go on.
yeah, and my parents little bit proud of me.
You want to make your parents proud of you.
Yeah,
Okay. All the best for that. And
thank
you
you.
said you want to become a millionaire and have this massive, popular YouTube channel.
Popular YouTube
Um, yeah. What are the steps that you're taking to realize this dream?
channel. I I post video regularly.
Mm-hmm.
If I am not able to post regularly, then weekly I do,
Weekly? How many times?
like 2 times, 3 times,
Okay. You can say that you post it twice a week or thrice a week, right?
twice a week or thrice. Okay.
Okay, great. And you mentioned that you want to make your parents proud of you. That's a very beautiful point that you shared. I want to know from you, should parents help their children to set goals, or should parents give their
No, no,
children
no.
space to decide whatever they want to do?
Like I think I would say like
Mm-hmm.
I what I want to be, like
Mm-hmm.
I can choose. I can choose where to go. Where should I have to go? Know,
Yeah.
what should I become? Like
Mm-hmm.
this is my life, and I
Mm-hmm.
have to choose the goals.
Perfect. So you want complete autonomy over your decisions.
Yeah,
Okay,
not my
fantastic.
parents' wise.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I have to live my life like that.
Yeah, that's a very realistic approach that you're taking, which is good. Which will help you a lot if you're realistic.
Individual. I
Hmm.
would say.
Okay. All right. So these are about the question that I asked you. These are mainly about things that you want to do, right? Goals that you want to achieve. Now, I would love to know, are there any goals that you've already achieved? Something that you wanted to accomplish 3, 4 years ago, but now you've realized it.
I think yeah, I would say that I have achieved little bit fearless what I had in my life. Like um, I couldn't speak, I couldn't understand English, but
Mm-hmm.
nowadays, I understand everything, like British
Yeah.
accent, American accent. I
Mm-hmm.
could understand every accent. Like this is
Okay.
the biggest goal what I had in my life, and I am working on it.
Oh, that's good. So, how were you able to achieve this? How were you able to understand so many different accents?
Like I used to practice a lot. I used
Mm-hmm.
to, watch web series, cartoon, English cartoon a lot, like twice a day.
Yeah.
And I used to watch English podcasts. Like my favorite. Should I have to mention?
Yeah, you can mention your
Okay.
learners, I mean, your subscribers can learn and go and subscribe to
Yeah,
their channel also. Yeah.
yeah. My favorite podcaster like Jay Shetty
Mm-hmm.
and Beer Bicep.
Oh, of course. Yeah. He's
Yeah,
fantastic too.
yeah. They are amazing. And Lewis House.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
you learned.
I used to
Hmm.
watch a lot American. basically American videos, not Indian
Okay.
videos. One or
All right.
I think two I used to
Hmm.
watch. I don't remember yet.
Okay, you gave a couple of names. Beer Biceps is an Indian
Yeah,
YouTuber, but the
Indian
rest they
YouTuber.
speak in British accent, American accent. So it's a good amalgamation. Great, that's nice. And so listening to English helped you a lot, right?
Yeah, a lot. Like watching cartoon, Beer Basep,
Uh,
like when we were Allahabad, yeah, mentioned like if you want to understand or speak English, you should have to watch English cartoon. Your English will be improved soon. And
yeah,
then I started doing that.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. That is how a lot of kids learn English. It is via cartoons, right? And comic books also. So, most people say that I don't like to read. I hate reading novels. It's very boring and all of that. But
No,
if they start with simple
I
comic books, it'll help them.
yeah, I read history. Like I read
Mhm. Like
celebrities. Like
biographies, you're trying to say? They are biographies or autobiographies.
yeah, yes, yes. Like
Okay.
celebrities biography. Ritik
Hmm.
Roshan,
Hmm.
Priyanka Chopra,
Yeah.
one of my favorite actors,
Okay. One of my favorite actresses. All right.
actresses.
Okay, perfect. That's great. And by the time you reach 60 years of age, what do you hope to have achieved?
Oh, what? Sorry.
By the time you're 60 years of age, what all
Okay,
you
okay,
wish
I
you
got
would
it.
have
I got it.
achieved by that time?
No, no,
You can give me
you
two or three pointers. Okay, first related to your lifestyle. Tell me, what kind of a house do you want to be living in? I'll break it down so that we can proceed. What kind of a house do you want to be living in when you're 60 years old? Do you want to live near the mountain? Do you want to live near the beach? Tell me a little about it.
mountain. I would say like
Okay.
near the mountain
Uh-huh.
when I will be a 60-year-old,
Hmm.
and then I would live near the mountain.
Perfect. And the second sub question would be, what job would you be doing? Would you be doing some job or would you like to be retired by that time?
I think job. I would be doing like making videos on YouTube.
Okay. So you want to be a 60-year-old guy who is sharing his life with his subscribers on YouTube and living in the mountains. Okay. Very
All my whole life on YouTube.
so good. You say that you lack confidence, but you have so much of courage and guts to put yourself
Yeah,
out there, open a
I
YouTube
have balls
channel.
to do everything. Like if
Yeah.
I have to my parents, proud of me, then I will
Mm-hmm.
do that. I will do everything.
Okay.
You know,
Very
I
good.
I cannot explain myself, but I am telling you the truth. Like I have really courage to do it.
That's very heartwarming, and I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. And the only reason why I asked you the sub questions was because, see, when I asked you what do you want to be doing when you're 60 years old, suddenly we have a lot of thoughts in our mind, right?
Yes,
And we don't
yes,
know which
yes.
one to pick and speak.
Yeah,
The
we
best
occur.
thing to do that time, yeah, is to simplify it, like ask these sub questions in your mind. Okay, Aslam, where do I want to be living when I'm 60 years old? What job do I want to be doing? Who do I want to be living with? Right? So don't be overwhelmed. Take a moment, tell the speaker partner that hey, can you give me a minute to think about the answer, and then think, ask yourself smaller questions like this, and frame your uh, ideas into sentences. Okay, I hope that was helpful.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. So, yes, you are a very confident person. The major indication is the fact that you you have your own YouTube channel,
yeah.
and you want to share your English speaking journey.
Mm.
So just have that belief and confidence in yourself. Vocabulary and grammar, everything can come later, right? But the thing that you have to focus on is, of course, your confidence, your fluency, your body language, your
Mm.
gestures and all of that, and you are doing a very good job already. And I just want you to keep believing in yourself and improving. Okay, that's the only feedback I would like to give you. All
Thank you
right.
so much.
Yeah.
Okay, I have
Yeah.
written a question. How
Mm-hmm.
to be motivated all the time?
How
Like
to be?
when how to be motivated all the time? Like when I feel there's no improvement in myself,
Yes.
or I'll be never a good speaker.
Hmm.
What should I try to do?
Okay. So you have to
Like
understand
should
one
I
thing.
try to read
Mm.
something or practice like old thing?
Yeah.
I want to use new things every day. I wanna learn new things. You
All
know.
right, I'll just quickly answer that question for you. Okay, how to be motivated all the time? First of all, you have to understand that motivation is like a fuel. You know, your car sometimes it runs out of petrol. Similarly, a human being can run out of motivation. So, what you have to do, you have to watch content or read content that builds that fire again inside you. Just because your car has run out of petrol, do you discard it? No, right? You will refuel it. Same with
Yeah.
motivation. If you're running out of motivation, you love Jay Shetty, right? He's a great motivational speaker. Watch his videos, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Ranveer Allahabadiya, he is also amazing. So what's something that you can relate to? What's something that will reignite that passion and that fire inside of you? Okay. And second of all, of course, practice. If you want to become a great English speaker, uh, choose any topic. Okay, or do an extempore with yourself. Like pick any
But
topic and speak about it
I
for 2 minutes.
I feel scared to talk. I don't know why.
Not with others, with yourself. Just take your phone,
Yeah, I
turn on the
talk to myself
recorder.
in front of mirror
Yeah,
when I
talk to
feel
yourself.
lack of confidence.
Yeah, so just don't have this pressure of constantly impressing people. Okay, it's not your job. Your job is just to express yourself. Okay, those who have to be impressed, they will be impressed. Don't have to worry. I always tell my learners this one thing: whenever you're communicating, the intention has to be only one. Whatever ideas are there in my mind, I have to tell it to this person. That's it. Okay.
How did you? Okay, how
Yeah.
did you get in your fluent in English?
The same thing. I overcame my fear of judgment. I stopped thinking about what other people think about me. I only focused about what I want to speak. So that helped me a lot. And second of all, having conversation, practice. Speaking with so many learners on Clapingo, getting out of my comfort zone,
What
talking to
all kind of
them.
what all kind of thing you used to do?
First of all, I used to read a lot of comic books and novels. That is one thing. And second, just like you, I used to watch a lot of videos in English. Okay. And I would imitate.